So today I'm sharing a very special recipe with all of you, and that is how to make homemade ghee. So let's begin. In total, I have like 16 sticks of butter in there, and I'm using unsalted butter. My stove is on medium flame, and I will just let it come to a boil. Now, what is ghee? It's actually a process where the water evaporates and the milk solids sink at the bottom and get caramelized and toasty. You will see within a few minutes, it's just going to change. It will start to bubble and boil, and the caramelization will start. Once you see that it's bubbling and it's boiling, just reduce your heat to low and let it just simmer, but make sure that you are close by. You don't go far away because it can burn. You don't have to stir this or anything. I am just showing you over here that the caramelization has started. It's getting toasty at the bottom. Even though it's a little light, it will take a few minutes before it gets darker, and a lot of that foam will disappear. It took me 40-45 minutes to get the ghee ready because I had a lot of quantity in there. So it will vary how much you have, but the process will be the same if you have a lot or if you have little. And soon you will see the thick foam turning into clear bubbles like this. So it's almost ready at this point. You just need a few more minutes before it turns darker. So after a few minutes, this is how it's going to look like. It is much darker now. At the bottom, you can see how toasty it has gotten. So over here, it's ready, and I will just turn the stove off at this point. Even though my stove is off, but it's still bubbling, so I will just give it a few more minutes before this stops and all the solids sink at the bottom, and then just take a spoon and remove all of that foam with a spoon, and this is how it's going to look like. It has a very beautiful color and it smells amazing. I'm just going to show you how it looks like here. I absolutely love cooking in ghee because of its high smoke point, so I don't have to worry about it getting burned. It also adds a really nice nutty flavor to your entire dish. So if you have never tried it, you can use this in your desserts, you can use it in your savory dishes. There's so many different ways you can use this, and you will absolutely love it. Don't forget the health benefits that it has. It's great for your skin, it's great for your bones, it's great for your immune system, and it has important nutrients like vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and it's great for your heart and cardiovascular. And I absolutely love its anti-inflammatory health benefit. You can place this outside on your countertop, or you can put this inside in your fridge. It's going to last you for a very long time. Since there is no water or milk solids, it's not going to have any bacteria growing. So it's going to last you for months or even for a year if you keep it. I had around 4 pounds of butter, which gave me close to 3 pounds of ghee, which is quite a lot, and it made me happy. So I will be using this in a lot of my cooking. And there's a tip that I want to give you guys. Whenever you are using ghee and you want to take it out with a spoon, make sure it's dry, not wet, because it will catch mold. So just be careful you're not using dirty utensils to take the ghee out. Even though the milk solid looks like it's burned and it's dark brown, but if you scrape it with your finger, it easily comes off and actually smells really nice too. So let me just show you guys how it looks like. I paid $12.59 to buy the butter so I could make my ghee. And if I bought this ghee from outside for that much amount, I would have paid anywhere from $40 or even more. So I saved a lot. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed how to make homemade ghee. And if you are new watching my video for the first time, please make sure that you subscribe and like. And I will see all of you in my next video with another yummy recipe. Till then, take very good care of yourself and bye.